Hey travellers! Welcome aboard Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. Launched in 2001, this Voyager-class ship carries nearly 4,000 passengers at maximum capacity. With over 1,500 staterooms, 125 are suites, and 85 of those are junior suites. For a 7-night cruise, they'll often cost hundreds more per person than a standard balcony stateroom. Of course, junior suites offer more amenities than traditional cabins, which poses an important question. Are the perks worth the upgrade? Let's dive in. At approximately 277 square feet plus a private balcony, junior suites are considerably larger than a standard balcony stateroom, which comes in at around 188 square feet. That's nearly 50% more interior space before we even get to the balcony. Let's take a tour of the details. Like other larger cabins, the junior suite is ideal for parties of 4. It comes with 2 twin beds that convert into a royal king-size bed, and the sofa in the seating area pulls out into a double. Storage, however, is the most notable upgrade, with this being the first cruise in which we've had a walk-in closet. This feature is invaluable for families with multiple kids, as even standard balcony rooms can become cluttered fast. The next major upgrade is the bathroom. Most staterooms only have compact showers, whereas junior suites and above offer a larger bathtub and shower combination. This is another benefit when traveling with smaller children. All suites also come with premium bathroom products, rather than an all-in-one shower gel. More noticeable is the bathroom's footprint. A standard balcony stateroom's bathroom is about 17 square feet, but a junior suite is over 30, giving guests significantly more vanity space and toiletry storage. Back in the living area, the amenities are fairly standard, with twin nightstands and adjustable reading lights. Because the Adventure of the Seas is an older ship, USB ports for charging devices are few, with only one hidden beneath each reading lamp. Storage, again, is not standard. There's significantly more vanity and counter space, both of which are filled with additional closets and drawers for organizing clothes and electronic devices. The TV is also adjustable, though it is smaller than those found on modern vessels. Each stateroom also comes with an in-room safe and a cooler for any food you wish to save. It's worth noting that this is not a traditional fridge. Unique to suites is the Lavazza espresso machine. In any other stateroom, finding some coffee typically requires visiting one of the ship's dining venues, such as Café Promenade or Windjammer Marketplace. Heading outside, the balcony is between 50 and 70 square feet, depending on the variation of junior suite you're staying in. The larger balconies are located aft and dubbed Sunset Junior Suites. These offer more space but have obstructed views, especially on decks 6 and 7. The advantage is that the larger balconies allow for full lounges instead of only chairs. But what about the suite amenities outside your stateroom? This is where a junior suite is different from what you might expect. Despite having suite in the name, junior suites do not receive most of the benefits that come with Royal Caribbean's higher-level suites. First and foremost, junior suite passengers do not have access to the suite lounge, which offers free drinks at select times, breakfast, and evening hors d'oeuvres away from the crowds. This area is reserved for guests staying in a grand suite or larger. The notable extras junior suites get are priority boarding to skip cruise terminal lines and double points for Crown and Anchor Society members. This is Royal Caribbean's loyalty program and offers several benefits and freebies as you rise in membership tier. So, is a junior suite worth it? That depends heavily on the price difference between it and a standard balcony stateroom. which can vary dramatically depending on the sailing. If you have small children, the value add is higher, but we've been just as comfortable in smaller staterooms. Given the choice again, we would potentially bid for a junior suite using the Royal Up room upgrade option that everyone gets close to the sailing date. However, we probably wouldn't book a junior suite normally and would put our money elsewhere.